Hey everyone, Arash Goni Farahani here, back with your weekly market pulse. If you're investing, trading, or just trying to make sense of this financial roller coaster, this episode is for you. Let's talk FOMC, market reactions, and what smart money might be doing next. First, let's rewind. The past week brought a mix of caution and conviction. Major indices showed signs of resilience, with the S&P 500 hovering near record highs, and tech leading the charge. Earnings from major companies gave investors something to chew on, while inflation data continued to, play mind games. So, while we didn't get a full-blown breakout or breakdown, the stage is definitely being set, and the spotlight is on the Fed. The Federal Reserve meets this week, and the question is simple: cut or no cut? We've got mixed signals: unemployment steady, inflation cooling but sticky, and recession fears fading but not disappearing. Jerome Powell and the FOMC are walking a tightrope. If they cut too soon, inflation could reignite. Too late, and they risk stalling the economy. So what do you think? Comment below. Do you think the Fed will cut the rates this meeting? Or will they stay on hold until September or even later? Now, what does this mean for the market and us? Investors, traders, real estate players, and everyone watching the economy closely. For equities, if the Fed surprises with a cut, expect short-term euphoria, especially in growth and tech. For bonds, yields may drop, but watch the yield curve reaction. Steepening could signal economic optimism. For dollar and commodities, gold, oil, and the USD may get volatile fast. Think opportunity, not chaos. For real estate, lower rates equal potential tailwind for mortgage approvals and affordability. Time to watch that 10-year yield. But don't mistake volatility for randomness. This is where smart positioning matters more than predictions. So here's my game plan. Stay nimble, react, don't predict. Watch the Fed language just as much as the decision. And always remember, market movers are watching sentiment as much as data. If you're serious about building wealth and understanding the real estate market like a pro, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss next week's update. And as always, comment below. Let me know where you stand on the rate cut. Until next time, invest smart, live well, and stay one step ahead.